Today we are tackling a classic calculus problem. We've been asked to estimate the integral of 10 over 1 plus x from -6 to -3 using the trapezoidal rule with 3 subintervals. Our goal? Find that mysterious integer, k in the fraction k over 3. First, let's list what we know. Our function is f of x equals 10 over 1 plus x. The interval starts at a equals -6 and end at b equal -3. We are told n equals 3, which is the number of trapezoids we are using. Now, we need the width of each trapezoid, or delta x. We will use the formula, delta x equals b minus a all over n. So, delta x equals -3 minus -6, all divided by 3, which simplifies to 1. Now we know that we will be moving in steps of 1. Starting at -6 and jumping by 1, our x values are -6, -5, -4, and -3. Now, let's plug these into our function to get our heights. Now we find the height at our starting point. F of -6 is 10 divided by 1 minus 6, which gives us a -2. Next, f of -5 equals 10 over 1 minus 5. This is equal to -2.5. f of -4 equals 10 over 1 minus 4. This is equal to 10 over -3. For the last x value, we have f of -3 equals 10 over 1 minus 3. This is equal to -5. For the final step, we are going to use the trapezoidal formula. Remember the rule. We take half the width, then add the first height, double the middle heights, and add the last height. Now we plug everything into the trapezoidal formula. Our area is approximately 1/2 times the sum of our heights. Inside the brackets, we have our first height, -2 plus 2 times -2.5, plus 2 times 10 over -3, and finally, our last height, -5. So our area is approximately -28 over 3. The problem states the estimate is in the form k over 3. We just found the estimate is -28 over 3. That means k is equal to -28. And that's it. Key takeaway. Always remember to double those middle terms in the trapezoidal rule. If this helped you understand this question, hit that like button and subscribe for more math tutorials.